Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project for you. I will have all of the links down below with all of the items that I am using today. So if you'd like to pick up some of these, you may go ahead and use the links down below. All right, let's jump right in. So I am using this cute popcorn die, and that's the smaller one. I'm also using these small loopy tag dies, and I only used a portion of that. I'm using it for an accent piece, and I also thought that would pair well with some balloons if you have some balloons too, for the string on the balloons. Then we also have the star stencils, so those turned out really cute. I like that. And I'm also using the small ginger bow die, so that would be this here, this one, and then I did not use the little accent pieces on top, but I did use the little insert that goes in the center of the bow. And then I'm also using these tall die layers as well as the tall frame dies, as well as this tall postage frame dies. So what I did was I took, I want to say this insert here, and just laid it right in the center of there and cut that out so I could just have that just as a frame and that as a background layer. And then from the cute postage dies, I just used that word celebrate. And then from the holiday envelope, I used the envelope as well as the for you. And I believe that is all of the products that I use. Okay, let me show you what I have created. I have created a card and envelope set so that somebody can go have some fun on me, just go out and celebrate you. All right, so here is what I did. So I used that tall postage die here, and then I also used the tall layer, the stitch dies, and I cut out the center of that so that, or you can even probably use the just tall layers, but I use the stitch one. Cut out the center of that, and I just wanted it open so you can just see everything that's going on in the back. So this is where I use those loopy, that loopy tag die there. I just used part of that as an accent piece. Draws your eye in, so you can see that popcorn there a little bit better. And then there goes that celebrate. I did ink up the popcorn going around there, as you can tell. And then I also took the piece that I used, that I cut out of the inside there, and popped it in the inside of the card. And I also used some of those popcorn pieces right there. Thought that turned out super cute. And then for the envelope, I just measured the inside of the envelope around the stitching, and which was 2.75 by 3.75 if I'm not mistaken. I just cut out a piece of her paper, which is, I don't know for sure if I showed you that, but if not, here it goes. I used the Let's Get Crafty paper, and I just used the top part of that. And then I popped down that ginger bow die, that small one, and I put it right there, and I just gave it a little bit of a curl on the ends of that bow to add a little bit of dimension, and added some enamel dots, and that was that. That for you came out of that holiday envelope as well. But I love how the set turned out. Tell me what you think. The links will be down below, so make sure you go over to Emma's site, get you some of these goodies, and let's get crafty. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.